Did you know you can make a tiny, self-contained world that might outlive you? This jar came from one local river. Sand, stones, plants, and water, all from a single spot. Arrange the pieces, top up with water, seal it. At first the water turns cloudy, but it clears fast, revealing the first life. Snails glide across the glass and leaves, grazing on algae and biofilm. Tiny cleanup crews at work, and a great sign that the ecosystem is settling in. So the time-lapse shows the plants really taking off and small creatures cruising for snacks. Another cue that this micro-world is alive and balanced. In the next days, you can see the plants slowly growing, stretching toward the light. With each day, more oxygen bubbles appear on their leaves, and all around you can spot tiny movements in the water and sand. Day by day, shoots climb and roots branch, knitting the scene together. Then balance clicks in. Steady layers, gentle flow, and a little engine of life humming on its own. The tiny creatures keep moving through the water, and the ecosystem continues to grow and evolve. And that's how I set up my ecosystem in a jar.